We are now joined by MOS MEA V. Muralidharan, and he has got more details. What we are also picking is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also spoken to him. We'll try to get more details from Minister himself. So we are learning that Prime Minister has spoken to you about the incident. What more details you can share with us?
No, PM inquired basically about the incident's details and whether people died on the spot or after reaching the hospital, the number of casualties, the situation of the topography of the airport, all these details. So I have given all the details to him, and tonight I am planning to go to Cochin and then to Calicut, reach Calicut tomorrow morning. In fact, Calicut airport being a tabletop airport, there is always a danger of skidding, and when it skids, it goes beyond the compound wall and falls into the valley. So this is what it has happened this time in Calicut. That's what I understand. Perhaps those who see me may remember that a few years ago in Mangalore airport, the same thing had happened, that the aircraft lost control, then skid out of the runway and then fell into the valley. So I had gone the last time when that incident happened to visit that site. I could see that the debris of the aircraft lying in the valley beyond the compound wall of the aircraft. And Calicut airport during rainy season is a very hazardous airport to land. I have the personal experience of landing there many times during the monsoon season. And today I am told that there are heavy rains in Kerala, and Calicut airport also was having heavy rains, and perhaps the report is that the pilot made the first attempt he made, he was not successful, and in the second attempt he landed, and it was a bit of a hard landing, and then it skid out of the runway and maybe crashed beyond the compound wall and sort of nosedived into the valley.
So it's a matter of great concern. Across the nation, people are really concerned about this. Like you also mentioned that you yourself is going to the spot. What more details you can share with us, so the latest figures if you have got, and what kind of rescue operation is going on? Because we are told that even central government is actively now, indulged in this.
Now, the Prime Minister had spoken to me almost an hour and a half ago. He has also spoken to the Chief Minister. The Home Minister has directed the NDRF team to be rushed to Calicut airport. As of now, my information is that all the passengers who were there in the aircraft has been evacuated from the site. They have been taken to the hospitals. My information is that 16 lives have been lost, including the pilot and the co-pilot. And there are a few serious injuries still in the hospital, but everyone is being taken, primarily preliminary step is taking them to the hospital. Their first aid will be given, an investigation regarding their medical condition will be undertaken. And then the authorities there, the local people who are in the ground are saying that once we get the full details of each passenger, their physical condition, then we will be able to say how many can go tonight itself to their houses.
मैं हिंदी में अगर आपसे बात करूँ तो प्रधानमंत्री जी से आपकी बात हुई है, वो खुद कंसर्न है इस पूरे मामले को लेकर, क्या डिटेल्स और किस तरह की बातचीत हुई अगर आप बता?
प्रधानमंत्री काफ़ी चिंतित थे. आज सुबह भी उनका ट्वीट हमने देखा था कि केरल में एक भूस्खलन जो हुआ था उसमें लगभग 20 लोगों का जान गई है. और अभी इस घटना के बाद अभी प्रधानमंत्री जी का फ़ोन पर मेरे से उन्होंने फ़ोन पर बात किया था. उन्होंने जानकारी ली कितने लोगों का घायल हुआ है, कितने लोगों को एयरपोर्ट से पूरा हॉस्पिटल में लेके गए, लोगों को कितने लोग हॉस्पिटल में हॉस्पिटल में जिनका मृत्यु हुई, कितने लोग ऑन द स्पॉट मृत्यु हुई, और रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस की कुल मिला की स्थिति क्या है, ये सारे विषय उन्होंने जानकारी लिया है. और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी एनडीआरएफ का टीम को आदेश दिया है कि कालीकट एयरपोर्ट में मूव करने के लिए, और वहाँ बाकी रिलीफ ऑपरेशंस के लिए। अभी स्थिति जो है लगभग सारे लोगों को एयरपोर्ट से शिफ्ट कर चुका है, उनको हॉस्पिटल लेके गए हैं और हॉस्पिटल में अभी तक जो जानकारी है 15-16 लोगों का मृत्यु हुई है, इंक्लूडिंग दी पायलट। बाकी लोगों के बारे में कुछ लोग अभी भी गंभीर घायल की स्थिति में है, लेकिन कुल मिला के सभी लोगों का मेडिकल इंस्पेक्शन किया जाएगा और उसके बाद पता चलेगा कि उसमें से कितने लोग फर्स्ट एड के बाद अपने अपने घर जा सकेंगे और कितने लोगों को हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होकर ट्रीटमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ेगा।
एक प्रश्न और, आपने बताया रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन चल रहा है, आप खुद वहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं, आपने कहा आज आप खुद निकल रहे हैं। रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन की अगर जानकारी लें तो कौन कौन सी ऐसी एजेंसी है जिनको रोपिन किया गया रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन?
अभी CISF, लोकल पुलिस और विशेष तरफ से वहाँ के सामान्य जनता यानी एयरपोर्ट के अगल बगल के सारे लोग हैं, सारे लोग उसमें सक्रिय है और फायर फोर्स भी है और NDRF का टीम अभी पहुंचने वाले हैं। मैं खुद आज रात कालीकट जाऊंगा और शायद कल सुबह तक मैं वहां पहुंच जाऊंगा।
So this is the information which Minister is sharing with us. He is telling us that he himself is going on the spot, and he is also telling us that Prime Minister is himself monitoring the situation and also taking all the updates. As many as agencies, those can be roped, they have been roped, and local support is also being taken. Back to you.